Hello, today I'm unboxing this 4-in-1 portable high chair by CheerKid. It's designed for babies and toddlers from 1 to 3 years old. The setup was super easy. It comes with all tools and takes just a few minutes. Spray and silicone mat are removable, so cleaning is quick and easy. The cushion? Yes, it's machine washable. The 5-point safety harness keeps my baby secure while eating or playing. I love that it grows with your child, from a high chair to a toddler seat. If you are looking for a lightweight, functional and easy to clean high chair, this one is totally worth it. Look how cute and comfortable she looks sitting in it.